Hey friends, if you wish to fix the Ntfs file system error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update drivers. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Advanced Options. Select optional updates, and if any updates are available, then install them. The second solution is Windows Update. So return to the Windows Update page, and in the right pane click on check for updates or install all, whatever option is available in the blue color. The next solution is a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space /r space /f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command sfc space /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.